Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country located in southeastern Europe, bordering Croatia, Serbia, and Montenegro. The capital and largest city of Bosnia and Herzegovina is Sarajevo. The official languages of Bosnia and Herzegovina are Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian. Bosnia and Herzegovina declared independence from Yugoslavia in 1992, leading to a brutal civil war that lasted until 1995. The war in Bosnia and Herzegovina resulted in the deaths of over 100,000 people and the displacement of millions. The Dayton Agreement, signed in 1995, ended the war in Bosnia and Herzegovina and established a framework for peace and reconciliation. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a parliamentary democracy with a complex political system, reflecting the country's ethnically diverse population. The population of Bosnia and Herzegovina is approximately 3.5 million people, with Bosniaks, Serbs, and Croats being the largest ethnic groups. The religious composition of Bosnia and Herzegovina is diverse, with Islam, Orthodox Christianity, and Catholicism being the most widely practiced religions. The economy of Bosnia and Herzegovina is primarily based on agriculture, industry, and tourism. Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning architecture. The Latin Bridge in Sarajevo is famous for being the site of the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria in 1914, which sparked World War I. Mostar, a city in Bosnia and Herzegovina, is known for its iconic Ottoman-era bridge, Stari Most, which was destroyed during the war and later rebuilt. The city of Banja Luka is the second largest city in Bosnia and Herzegovina and is known for its vibrant nightlife and cultural attractions. The Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun, located near Visoko, is a controversial archaeological site believed by some to be the oldest pyramid in the world. Bosnia and Herzegovina has three major climatic zones: continental, mountainous, and Mediterranean, with temperatures varying depending on the region. The cuisine of Bosnia and Herzegovina is diverse and reflects the country's multicultural heritage, with dishes such as savapi, börek, and baklava being popular. The traditional clothing of Bosnia and Herzegovina varies by region and ethnic group, with distinctive styles and colors worn for special occasions and celebrations. The national sport of Bosnia and Herzegovina is football, soccer, with the national team competing in international tournaments such as the World Cup and European Championship. The Sarajevo Film Festival is one of the largest and most prestigious film festivals in southeastern Europe, showcasing a wide range of international and regional films. The Srebrenica massacre, which occurred in 1995 during the Bosnian War, was the worst genocide in Europe since World War II, resulting in the deaths of over 8,000 Bosniak men and boys. The Bosnian War left a lasting impact on Bosnia and Herzegovina, with many families still searching for missing loved ones and struggling to rebuild their lives. The International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, ICTY, was established to prosecute those responsible for war crimes committed during the conflicts in the Balkans, including Bosnia and Herzegovina. The Dayton Peace Accords, signed in 1995, established the current political structure of Bosnia and Herzegovina, with two separate entities, the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina and Republika Srpska. The Office of the High Representative, OHR, oversees the implementation of the Dayton Accords and works to promote stability and reconciliation in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The European Union has been working with Bosnia and Herzegovina to help reform its political and economic systems and move closer to becoming a member of the EU. The Bosnian diaspora is significant, with many Bosnians living abroad in countries such as the United States, Germany, and Australia, where they have formed vibrant communities. The Bosnian language is closely related to Serbian and Croatian, with differences in vocabulary and pronunciation reflecting the country's diverse linguistic heritage. The currency of Bosnia and Herzegovina is the convertible mark, BAN, which is pegged to the euro and used for daily transactions. The education system in Bosnia and Herzegovina is divided into 3 levels: primary, secondary, and tertiary, with students attending school from age 6 to 18. The University of Sarajevo is the largest and oldest university in Bosnia and Herzegovina, offering a wide range of academic programs in various disciplines. The healthcare system in Bosnia and Herzegovina is a mix of public and private providers, with access to basic healthcare services guaranteed to all citizens. The natural beauty of Bosnia and Herzegovina is breathtaking, with diverse landscapes that include mountains, rivers, lakes, and forests, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The Una National Park, located in northwest Bosnia and Herzegovina, is known for its stunning waterfalls, crystal-clear rivers, and rich biodiversity. The Hutovo Blato Nature Park, located in southern Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a wetland sanctuary for migratory birds and other wildlife, attracting birdwatchers and nature lovers. The historical town of Jace, located in central Bosnia and Herzegovina, is known for its medieval fortress, Ottoman architecture, and picturesque waterfalls. The town of Visegrad, located in eastern Bosnia and Herzegovina, is famous for its Memd Pasa Sokolovic Bridge, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built in the 16th century. The city of Tuzla, located in northeastern Bosnia and Herzegovina, is known for its salt lakes, multicultural heritage, and thriving industrial sector. The village of Blagaj, located near Mostar, is home to the stunning Blagaj Tukija, a 16th century dervish monastery built at the base of a cliff overlooking the Buna River. The traditional Bosnian coffee, kafa, is an important part of Bosnian culture, with a unique brewing method and social rituals associated with its consumption. The Sarajevo Haggadah, a 14th century illuminated Jewish manuscript, is one of the most valuable cultural treasures of Bosnia and Herzegovina, housed at the National Museum of Bosnia and Herzegovina. The Gazi Huzrev Beg Mosque, located in Sarajevo, is one of the most important Islamic landmarks in Bosnia and Herzegovina, known for its stunning architecture and historical significance. The Sarajevo Roses, a poignant memorial to the victims of the siege of Sarajevo, are concrete scars filled with red resin that mark the spots where mortar shells killed civilians during the war.